daughter watching the state opening.
Yeah, so I spoke to you a week and a half ago.
Yeah.
We've been up watching the sort of all the results come in, and she went off to bed at 6 o'clock in the morning.
I remember, yeah.
This is momentous. And we thought we'd watch the state opening of Parliament and the King's speech together because, again, looking to hopefully there being lots of hope. And